At least say hi now.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you guys doing? So, guys, this is the next day. Yesterday was the burial. So, if you're imagining why I'm here, if you're imagining why I'm still wearing my black. So, I'm ready to go back to Harcourt. Acne, hi. Say hi. Guys, rate her house dressing. So, yeah, we're ready to go to Port Harcourt, and this is me just dressing up. You want chop then? So, this is how the Hausa women dress in Kogi State. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. So this is the next day. In case you guys are wondering that why am I still wearing black, I'm still mourning my father-in-law, trust me. Anyways, this is the next day and we are planning to preparing to go back to Port Harcourt. I'm all dressed, my mom is all dressed, and other persons are also dressing inside. So yeah, I don't know how possible I'll carry on this journey because you guys know that we are still mourning, and aside of still mourning, it depends on where I'm going to sit in the car that will take us to Port Harcourt. If I'm sitting at the front view where I can get a very good view, I'll take you guys along. Anyways, let me know how I'm looking this morning. My eye is still swollen up, but we move. So yeah, stay hooked in this vlog and enjoy.
Yeah,
They come.
live in my village with my baby.
I am his baby for today.
Baby for life.
Baby for life.
Oh yeah.
Baby forever.
So what you guys got to say there?
What do I have to say?
We love it forever, you know.
Yeah, baby.
I love her.
I love it.
I love you. The ones are getting interesting.
Is it my ring? Rascafera. My husband look like a Yahoo boy. My mother is peeling plantain, guys. Everywhere is scattered in this house. Malo tungo serve it to the floor. Malo. Hi guys.
I forgot that you're even showing my face.
Say hi guys.
Hi guys, this is your cute global landlord. Love you.
Local man, get out. At the museum, guys, see, my mom made plantain chips. Plantain chips, one no sabi. Yes, now is it my baby boo? He's my boy. This is my boy. Tatam. Oh. I still have like. So guys, I want to hurriedly make jollof rice for my mom. This is catfish, those dry ones, tomato, onions, pepper, salt, maggi, and every other stuff. I use this 3 spice, and I've prepared my rice. So let's start cooking. Okay. So here is my white rice. See, my kitchen is scattered. Well, I mean over scattered because my mom came with a whole lot. She came with yam, she came with corn flour, which is tuwo. You guys know that I love tuwo, and every other stuff.
we have plantain, we have potatoes. See, I can't even mention. So I'm really looking for space where I'll arrange this small, but I'll have I'm supposed to share it with my mom-in-law, stuff like that, you get. So once I cut her own and give her, then I'll just enjoy the rest. So anyways, let me just start preparing my jollof rice. Yeah, that's right. I'll just add ground oil, just some. Rice. I've added pepper, onions, and every other stuff here. Okay. For my jollof rice to be done so that I'm going to eat. Okay, I'm really stressed out today. I went to what they call it, Igbo market with my mom. I think that vlog, I don't even know which one is going up first, probably this vlog or that one. Borokri market is not easy. The people there are choked. Is it because the things here is cheap? Because things cheap for the pass all you mean, trust me. I did my comparison. For me, I prefer to be going to Borokri market, just that the difference is that it's too far from where I stay, but I would have preferred it 100%. Anyways, let me just focus on my rice. I'll get back to you guys, okay? This is the one I'm eating. So let's go and demolish this food. Here, you rate my rice. Add the food. It's sweet. But pepper too much.
It's sweet. Good.
Guys, food
Very
sweet.
delicious.
Okay. I'm good to go. I'm a wife material.
That's true.
Come and eat jollof rice. In fact, outside they sell food now.
What's wrong?